Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make spicy chicken. Like Sichuan style, spicy. I'm gonna use many chili pepper and long leek. And I use green side of the long leek. Also cucumber, good texture, and many garlic and ginger slice. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. So this one is you have to cut like this. Use the shell and the seeds together. Because cheese has a spicy flavor, so that's a Sichuan style, the Shisen style. So chili pepper is a good item making a spicy taste. Okay, and cucumber. Usually cucumber, is some salad, but if you make some stir fry, it's so good. The taste. So my weapon, meat tenderizer. So easy. Cut dice size. A little bit ginger and garlic. Pepper. Shirodashi, white soy sauce. Little bit. I don't use salt directly because this shirodashi, white soy sauce, has a salt flavor. That's why. Sake. Oh. Chinese sake is better. It was Chinese food. If you don't have like Chinese sake, you can use Japanese sake. So I'm gonna make two different process. First process is saute chicken, then keep. Then second part, so making a hot sauce and saute with the cucumber and long leek. The second process. Then making together. sauteed chicken with hot sauce. Okay. Takes about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna starch, mix together, then saute. Okay? I'm gonna show you. So after 15 minutes soaking, mix up a starch, about 10 gram. This is the negi oil, wrongly flavored oil, homemade one. So you can use some salad oil or sesame oil. Okay. Like this. Keep it. Oil. Giant garlic. Chili. Share and seed together. Little more oil. Long leek and cucumber. Chicken mixed together. Green part of long leek. Always high flame. 白だし入れるべ。Like this. Little bit soy sauce, just a little flavor. Okay, done. Okay, this is stir-fry chicken, Sichuan style. It's Shisen style. Served with long leek and cucumber and chili pepper and garlic. Spicy stir-fried chicken. So, いただきます。チキン。フレーバー。Matching with long leek. Cucumber. Oh, so good. Oh, spicy. Served with gohan. Yeah, looks nice. Yummy. That's what I want. Good spicy flavor. So, thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Please try hot flavor, Sichuan style, Shisen style, spicy chicken. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.